In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a PayPal account in Ghana or any other African countries. Hi, my name is Seth and I do a video about how to make money online on this channel. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that you get notification of all our video that will be uploaded here. If you are using any other browser or on your phone or anything, make sure you open your browser and type paypal.com. When you type paypal.com, you will see this interface. You see is it log in here, sign up here. Don't do anything here, scroll down, and on this video that we are doing, we will be creating a business PayPal account. In Ghana or in any country that does not support PayPal, you can't create a personal account. The only thing that you can do is to create a business account. So we are going to create a business account. This account is a business account. So when you get to the interface, this is how it looks like. You see sign up here or log in here. Don't do anything here. Scroll down. Don't sign up on all those links out there. Scroll down and come to the bottom. You will see all these options here. Make sure you come and type on the USA flag there, the flag. Type on the flag or click on the flag, and this tutorial that you are talking about, you can do it on your phone or any other browser that you are using. You can do all these things on it. So when you scroll down, we have a lot of countries here that are supporting PayPal, and the one that we are going to use, we will use a country that will help us, because this country that we are going to use, there's for the requirement that they will ask you, it's not high, so you will be able to provide all these requirements so specific that are able to get PayPal or access PayPal. So if you scroll down, you will see United Arab Emirates. Click on that United Arab Emirates. So when it opens like this, don't click on the sign up for free. Come down and click on own a business or open a business account. So click on the open a business account. So when you click on open a business account, this is the interface that will come out. The first one is your first name, the second one your last name, email address, and then your password. So provide all these details. Come and tick on the box here to agree the terms and conditions and click our PayPal account. Now our account has been not opened, but there are something that we need to do to verify our account. So here we are going to activate our account. The first thing is of individual seller, or so we are going to choose our business. Okay, so let's choose the individual or the sole proprietor. So when you type on it, you are going to name your business. What types of business are you running? The first thing is let's choose proprietorship, and come down, enter your date of birth, and then the nationality. Okay, so for the nationality, choose United Emirates, and then for the phone number, any random number that you type, it works. Okay, so make sure you provide any random number that you have, it works. And then note that any box that is not ticked in red, you can leave the box. So for the PO box, it is not in red, you can leave it. And then if you come to the city, you can choose Accra. Okay, and then for the Emirate, make it Dubai. So here we are going to do a little bit about our business. Okay, so the first thing is your name, because you have already provided it. Just go on, and then you choose your currency, and then the product that you are out selling. Okay, the kind of product that you have. So come and choose any. Okay, it said, if you have a website, just click on yes and then provide your website. So I don't have a website, just click on no. And then for the residential address, you click on the box, provide Accra. So if you look at this, I say complete the customer identification process to avoid PayPal account service interaction. So we are going to complete our, this is where we are going to verify it. Okay, our account. So on this side, you can choose your country, because you find Ghana here. Just choose Ghana, and then submit it. Boom, this is how we have get our PayPal account, and then it is all directing us into our account. Say congratulations, you have all set. So let's go home to see how our account looks like. Okay, and for the PayPal, you can use it without linking bank account. In our next video, I will show you how you can use your account well, so that your account won't be terminated or restricted or anything. So after we have created our account, there's something important that we need to do to make sure account will be secured. Okay, so if you look down here, we have some notification here. It say we want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is secure, as you notice. So click on see details. If you click on see details, it's going to take us to a place where we need to verify our account. We need to verify our account, and to verify the account, we need to provide some document. Okay, let's just choose our Ghana card. Okay, and use the Ghana card for it. Okay, so national ID card, and then go and drag and drop your card here, and you can click on your submit. For this verification, it will take you less than your account will be verified. To less than some hours for your account to be verified. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more of this video.